Now we are going to use, we are going to move agents in LangGraph. Okay, so what is agent? LangGraph allow us to build an agent. Okay, agent is an intelligent system capable of reasoning, planning, and acting using connected tool and models. Okay, so here you can see agent is essentially a smart entity that uses an LLM the brain, okay, to decide what to do next based on the user input and the tool available. Okay, so here we need to check its component like a chain. Chain is, I already teach you what is chain. I already knew. I think you already knew about it. Chain is a simple sequence of step or nodes connected together. Okay, so each step perform one operation and passes its output to the next. So here start node one, node two, and node three, and end. So it connect step together. Okay, so use cases when you know the flow, it's fixed like a pipeline. So step one, pre-process input, and step two, generate the response using LLM. Need pre-process input and generate the response from LLM, and post-process is output. So here you can see I'm going to use router also here. So routers is dynamically decide which path to take next. Okay, instead of following the single path, it choose a branch based on the input or context. We need to start it, and this is the router. So this is the path A and path B. Here is the tool one and tool two. So it will decide automatically which path I need to execute. Okay, so router make you agent adaptive, align, context based decision flow. So it will decide automatically. So in which path I need to go. Okay, so here you can see tool are external function or API agent can use to perform action beyond text generation. Okay, so tool may be like add function or calculate. This is the calculator for math, and search API has the real time information. So we can also use this, and query DB we can also access the database, and email sender send the notification. The LLM decide when and which tool to call. An example, here you can see user ask me what is 5 plus 5. Then LLM call add tools. Okay, this one add tools and return 10 and give the response to the human. The answer is 10. Okay, now we can see basic agent. So basic agent equals to LLM brand tool and decision logic. LLM tool and decision logic. So start LLM brand tool node and tool node. This is the tool node one, tool node like if you have condition, and it will end. So here LLM brand understand the user request here, and tool nodes execute the task like a math, database calling, API query, etc. Here, and condition decide next step based on the output. Here decision logic, and return the final answer in this step at end. Okay, now we can use tracking and monitoring. Okay, so agent can be track and monitor during runtime. Okay, which node or tool we are trigger, what input output we are exchange, how the reasoning chain evolve. Okay, so which node we are going to use. Okay, I mean which tool we are trigger. Okay, what input, what output, where exchange. Okay, how to region chain evolve. Okay, so like in 12 section I already teach you this. Okay, oh no, I don't have things. Okay, so it is useful debugging, auditing, and optimizing reasoning quality. Okay, so here you can see in six agent architecture overview. So natural language flow. So uh, user input, after that it start, it will go in LLM RAM, and here it will decide tool and end. So LLM interpret input, choose the tool and execute output. Okay, so here you can see multiple tool chatbot, like a user ask the question, it will go here in LLM and it will search automatically, like this answer also be called tool, and it is from search API or it is from calculator, and it will automatically decide and give you a final answer. Agent can flexibility select one or many tools per query. Okay, now we are going to move React. React is a React RE means reason and act means like acting. So agent architecture here we can say reasoning plus acting. So the architecture combine step by step reasoning with tool based action. Okay, so here React loop. So act means LLM call a tool. LLM call a tool. After that, it need to observe like tool output is returned to the LLM. And reason act it based on React based on act observe region. Okay, and reason LLM use observation to decide next step, and this cycle repeat until the agent reach the final answer. So here you can see flow. Start user input, like we need to ask please add 5 plus 5 and then multiply by 3. Okay, so LLM run think and identify operation and call the tool. Like here it will use to add tools. Okay, so step 1 tool add, uh, it is going to use add tool. So 5 plus 5 equals to 10, and observe tool and return 10. 10 is the answer. So act, you can you don't need to forget it. So act, observe and reason. Okay. So here after this, I have another query. Then multiply by 3. Okay. So here you can see in 10 this one now tool multiply. So here in 10 we are going to multiply 3 and this will generate 30. So observe tool equals to return 30. So after this it will end and give you answer 30. So this is the conceptual diagram. Start LLM run tool. We need to start LLM run decide which tool I need to use first, and it will observe give you answer. Then it will multiply and it will observe and give you answer here, and finally end. So react loop region act observe and reason again allow the agent to think iteratively and solve the complex multiple step problem. So summary you can see here chain linear fixed sequential step router conditional path selection and tool external function or API basic agent LLM tool plus decision logic and react loop reasoning and acting and observe tracking is observe internal decision flow. Okay. So here why LangGraph agent, because it is flexible, explainable, scalable and powerful. And use cases is multiple tool chatbot. So we can create a chatbot by using multiple tools, automated assistant, intelligent controllers, data driven agent. Okay guys, I have finished this video. Now we can meet in another video. Okay, so here this is the agent in LangGraph. I think you got it. I hope you like my video. Please, if you have any doubt, please do comments. Bye bye.